Hey folks, a mild day across the valley. Temperatures kind of warming back up, getting closer to normal for this time of year, even above normal in some places. We're back now, down just a little bit. 70s in the east, still readings in the 80s in the west. Skies are just partly cloudy. Saw that beautiful sunset a little while ago. Low temperatures tonight, not much cooler than the upper 60s and low 70s. About 74 at the beach, about 70 McAllen. A little fog could show up later on tonight. It'll burn off quickly in the morning, and readings climb back up into the 80s once again. About 89 in Rio Grande City, 85 Weslaco, Harlingen, and Brownsville, both about 84. The beach should top out around 78 degrees with the southeast wind continuing. So kind of back to normal, maybe a little bit above for this time of year. The normal's 83. That's a 30-year average. And tomorrow will be 86, 85 Wednesday. Thursday, warmest day of the week at 89 because the front comes in late Thursday, early Friday, and temperatures drop again for Friday and for the weekend. Pretty quiet across the region today, so let's look at future track. And this is our 3-kilometer high-resolution model. It shows clouds and fog overnight. And then tomorrow morning, some clouds early. As the day goes on, I can't rule out a spotty shower in a couple of spots. I think nothing more than that, but a brief shower, certainly a possibility. And then tomorrow night, some patchy clouds show up again. So your rain chances the next 3 days look like this. About a 20% chance of something during the day tomorrow. Goes into the evening hours, about 10%. We carry that over to Wednesday, about a 10% probability during the day, but by night it's gone. And then we ramp the chance up late Thursday as the next cool front makes its way in this direction. That front could trigger a couple of showers by the time we get to late Thursday and early Friday. Perhaps even some pretty decent rain in a few spots. Pretty quiet day across the state of Texas. Some high clouds streaming in, but that's about it. There is a front in the state, but that front pushes southward tomorrow, gets to about the middle of Texas, cooling things off a little bit in the northern half of the state, but we stay on the south side with a southerly wind, and there you see a little moisture nearby. So again, an isolated shower can't be ruled out, but by Wednesday, the front washes out. It doesn't get here. So we just stay warm and humid through Wednesday and probably through Thursday as well. But by then, we're looking to the north for the real front. That one means business. That will push southward. 11 o'clock in the morning, it's still up in North Texas, but it will push south and move into the valley sometime late Thursday, early Friday, but certainly by Friday morning it's through. And notice how clouds and showers linger behind that front, at least for a time on Friday. I think by late in the day, the showers probably should be gone in time for football, but the clouds may still be here, and clouds may kind of linger on and off into the weekend, but it looks okay temperature-wise for the weekend. This front not as strong as the last one, but it will come through and make at least a little bit of a difference on our temperatures as we head into Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A stronger front on Monday, not on this map yet. Late Monday into Tuesday looks like it'll bring some much chillier temperatures for the middle part of next week. If you're headed to the coast, winds at the beach out of the east about 5 to 15, just a light chop. The UV index is high. No advisories right now. There's a low risk of rip currents. Your high tide just after midnight tonight. The low tide 3:12 tomorrow afternoon, seas down to about 2 to 4 feet. Relatively calm on the bay. So for tonight, your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast suggests the clouds roll back in and some patchy late fog. Upper 60s, low 70s. That's it. And then tomorrow back up to 86 with a stray afternoon shower. Even winds out of the east-southeast about 5 to 15. So here we go. The next 3 days, we go 86, 85, 89. But as we go into late Thursday night, chance for a shower, even a thunderstorm shows up in the forecast. That carries into Friday. Cloudy skies, a much cooler day with spotty showers around during the daytime as well. Most of that should taper off Friday night. Saturday, then, it's a mix of clouds and sunshine. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. It looks just beautiful as we head into the weekend. And then Monday, the clouds come back. Another front due late Monday, cooling things off again, probably significantly for the middle part of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.